things went much better than I expected. Really only miserable one day, and that was the day after surgery. I had the surgery on a Friday. By Sunday, I was getting around. No problems getting around the house, and overall went much better than I expected.
Thank you very much, sir. And this is from a total knee replacement that we did in an ambulatory surgery center. And you were in and out the same day, right?
Yes.
And you were able to get around with some, you did it on a Friday, you were able to get some physical therapy at the home Sunday, and you went to physical therapy
Monday
yourself, or with help, 3 days later. And then a week after that, you felt comfortable to drive. Of course, you can't drive you can drive with the right knee. It's not a stick shift, right?
Actually, I have a shift, and I've been driving that car now.
Oh, no, careful, careful. But thanks for your honest opinion. Appreciate it.